Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm going to do a little L'Occitane unboxing. I have a package of my favourites from L'Occitane. So this is not just an unboxing, but this is kind of a, what I think are the best products from the brand. So yeah, let me show you because it is a mega box. Okay, I just need to move Mary's nappies out of the way. And here it is. I am so excited, like legit so excited. Whew, I literally don't know where to start because it's all so good. Okay, so first things first, let's go for the shower oil. You know I love this product. It's so good. Seriously, if you're new to shower oils, you have to try this one. It smells like almonds and it's really rich and kind of nutty and just, I don't know, really warm and sunshiny as well. Honestly, it smells like heaven. It's so good. So the shower oil you put on in the shower and it kind of like, it's a bit like a cleansing oil for your face. It takes off all the dirt, but it kind of like lifts it off rather than kind of strips your skin. So if you've got very dry skin, it is perfect. And it also leaves your skin smelling really nice and feeling really fresh. And if you have dry skin and you don't really like to moisturize because you're lazy like me, then that is the perfect product. It just kind of does it all and it's such a luxurious treat and men love it too. Next up, I have the foot cream. Okay, I know this is a bit random, but their foot cream is the best. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because I walk a lot with the dog or whatever, but I get really sore, dry, cracked feet. And this is what helps me out so much. It's such a good foot cream. And it doesn't smell like peppermint, you know? It doesn't smell like your face. Did anybody get that Mean Girls reference? I hope so. Anyway, it's like the best foot cream in the world. I absolutely love it. It's such a treat. And yeah, that's the next thing. I'm hoping there is a hand cream in here, which yes, here it is. So next up, I got the almond hand cream. There are loads of different hand creams from L'Occitane, but I really do have such a soft spot for the almond. The shea butter is also gorgeous. So this is the almond hand cream. It's absolutely stunning. Again, it smells really like creamy, nutty, lovely. And it's just gorgeous and it's so rich and velvety on your hands. It's perfection. And I can't speak today. And I've had really sore, dry hands at the moment. So this is wonderful. I'm so excited. This is like the best day ever. Okay, what next? I think I'm going to go for this. This is their hand soap. And I got it in the lavender scent. I love the L'Occitane lavender. It is gorgeous. The foaming bath foam stuff. What's it called? Bath soak. That's the word. That is so good. The soaps are gorgeous. The hand wash is gorgeous. It's just, it's a gorgeous range. And yeah, I love this. And it's such a nice big bottle. It's 500 mils. So it lasts for ages. You can put it in one bathroom or you can decant it into little bottles and put it in multiple bathrooms if you're lucky enough to have multiple bathrooms. But yeah, it's just gorgeous. Smells incredible. Actually, let me smell it now. Oh, I love it. It smells so fresh. You know how lavender can often smell like dried lavender and a little bit more kind of like earthy and dried? That's like the freshest lavender ever. It's so beautiful. I got some on my hands, so I'm just gonna wipe it somewhere. Oh, it smells so good. It's so good. I love it. Anyway, let's move on to the next thing. So next up, I got some of their skincare. So next up, we have the Immortal Divine face cream. I love this stuff. It's honestly such a good face cream. It's beautiful if you have quite dry skin like me. It's beautiful in its own. It's beautiful under makeup. It's beautiful day, night, whenever. It's just absolutely gorgeous. It's quite an expensive face cream, but I think it's totally worth it. And yeah, I just needed more face cream, so I went for it. And I am thrilled. I cannot wait to get this back on my face. And now that it's summer, I'm going to be wearing like less makeup and be relying on like nice skin more. So this is my secret weapon. Okay, what next? Oh, I completely forgot I got 2 hand creams. So the almond hand cream is a joy because it's such a good hand cream and it smells insanely good. But this one is more for when you're having like a hand cream emergency. It's a super intense hand cream. It's really like perfect for dry and sensitive skin. It's perfect if you've got like eczema, psoriasis or anything like that. If your hands hurt because they're so dry, this is the thing you need. It's so good. It's incredible. I'm so glad I have 2 hand creams. What a joy. Okay, what next? I actually don't know what this is. I can't remember. Oh, yes. I love this stuff. So this is the stuff I was talking about before. This is the iconic L'Occitane bath soak. It smells of lavender. It's pure perfection. It's so fresh. It's so relaxing. It's so beautiful. I love, love, love this. It's like the biggest treat. And I have the 500ml bottle. You won't be able to get me out of the bath for the next couple of months. This is a joy. Oh my God, it smells so good. Seriously, if you think you're not keen on the smell of lavender, you have to try L'Occitane Lavender because it will change your mind about lavender. It's so fresh. It's so beautiful. So relaxing. I am obsessed. I love it so much. If you are a bath person, I honestly cannot recommend this enough. It is perfection. It's stunning. I love it. Okay, and I have one last thing to open. Here it is. It is the iconic Verbena. Oh, sorry, I just found something on my leg and I looked down and there was a fly on my leg and I was like, oh my God, it's only a fly. I should really get over myself. Okay, this is the iconic Verbena fragrance. I love this stuff. It's so fresh. It's so zesty. It's perfect, perfect, perfect for summer. It's just so clean and refreshing. And I don't know, it just smells of like lemon and green notes and vetiver and verbena. And it's just, oh, it's just perfection. It's perfection. I love it. Here is the bottle. It's actually a really simple bottle, but don't be unimpressed because it is the most perfect perfume. Oh my God, it's so good. It's just like lemony freshness and like green notes and oh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's so natural and green and lemony and lovely and smells like sunshine and cleanness and just, it's so beautiful. I love it. And it's a very good sharing perfume if you like to wear a perfume with your man. Or it's a really good one for traveling. You can take one bottle and share it between the two of you. I honestly think it is the best fragrance that L'Occitane do. I think it's perfection. It's so good. It's so clean and green and lemony and lovely. Oh, I just enjoy wearing it so much and I just feel fresher. Anyway, that's my video. That's everything I got. These are my 100% top picks from the brand. The only other thing I would say is a must-have is probably the soap, which I don't know why I didn't order any of that. I should have done. Yeah, the soap is incredible. And what else is perfect? It's all good. Do you know what I mean? It's all good. But I would say these are my must-haves from the brand and I would recommend these all day long. Anyway, that's my video. I hope you like seeing my best L'Occitane picks and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.